Item number 6534 HVAC Service Order Invoice Business Form is just for HVAC contractors. The Service Order Invoice is just for HVAC contractors. Keep an accurate record of the entire job. Use the pre-printed checklist to help you plan materials, schedule jobs, and record materials used. Let's take a few minutes and talk about the specifics of this form, section by section, and the advantages relating to its use in your business. The first part we'll discuss is the checklist section. Checklists on service order business forms offer several benefits to a business, including reducing errors and maintaining high standards, improving efficiency and productivity, providing a task completion record, enhancing communication and reducing misunderstandings, and increasing customer satisfaction with high-quality work. By improving efficiency, consistency, and accuracy, businesses can achieve greater success and customer satisfaction. 1. Ensuring consistency and accuracy will help reduce errors and ensure that work is completed to a high standard. 2. Improving efficiency can help reduce the time and resources required to complete each order and improve overall productivity. 3. Providing a record of completed tasks can be useful for tracking progress, monitoring performance, and ensuring that all tasks are completed before the work order is closed out. 4. Enhancing communication should help reduce misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. 5. Improving customer satisfaction by delivering high-quality work that meets or exceeds their expectations. Overall, the use of checklists on service order business forms can help businesses improve their efficiency, consistency, and accuracy, which can ultimately lead to greater success and customer satisfaction. Here's a look at the specific items in this 6534 form checklist. Compressor, condensing unit, condenser coil, refrigerant, fan and motor, evaporator coil, condensate areas, air filters, heating assembly, electrical components and thermostat. The sublist narrows specifics of the job. The next section is to record the items and/or parts needed and used for the job. Record the specifics of the job to prevent any misunderstandings and communications relating to it. This form provides an area for basic information like customer name, address and phone number plus current date, date promised, time, technician performing the work, and a description of the work to be performed. Using a section on a service order business form for item or part description with quantity, unit, and amount columns can provide several advantages for a business, including 1. Improved accuracy. It becomes easier to track and record the exact amount of each item or part needed for the job. 2. Better cost control by ensuring that items and parts are ordered and used in the most cost-effective manner. 3. Enhanced inventory management by knowing exactly which items and parts are being used in each work order. 4. Improved tracking of expenses will help the business keep track of its expenses. 5. Improved communication between team members by providing a clear and concise record of the items and parts needed for each work order. Overall, the use of item and part description sections can help businesses improve their accuracy, cost control, inventory management, expense tracking, and communication, which can ultimately lead to greater success and profitability. Let's narrow down the scheduled start date and more with everything spelled out. Using the section on a service order business form that includes date, date ordered, date scheduled, phone, and information about whether the work is covered by warranty, contract, service contract, regular, can provide real advantages for a business. 1. Improved scheduling. Including date, date ordered, and date scheduled, the business can better manage its scheduling and ensure that service orders are completed in a timely manner. 2. Better customer communication, including a phone number, can help the business contact the customer if there are any questions or issues related to the work order. This can help improve customer communication and ensure that the customer is informed throughout the process. 3. Enhanced record keeping, including information about whether the work is covered by warranty, contract, service contract, regular, can provide a clear record of the type of work being done and the agreements that are in place. 4. Improved customer service can help build trust with the customer and improve their satisfaction with the work being done. 5. Better management of resources can ensure that the right resources are being allocated to each job and that the business is maximizing its efficiency and profitability. In conclusion, the use of this section can help businesses improve their scheduling, communication, record keeping, customer service, and resource management, which can ultimately lead to greater customer service and profitability. A precise description of the work to be done is a good business practice. A description of work section with an amount on a service order business form can provide several advantages for a business. 1. Clarity can help reduce the risk of misunderstandings or mistakes and ensure that the work is completed to a high standard. 2. Accountability provides a clear expectation for the amount of work that needs to be done and ensures that the business is being charged appropriately for the work being completed. 3. Time management can ensure that team members are focused on the tasks that need to be completed and that they are completing them efficiently. 4. Communication ensures that everyone is on the same page and can help avoid confusion or miscommunication. 5. Record keeping, including a detailed description of the work to be done, can be used for tracking progress, monitoring performance, and ensuring that all work is completed to the customer's satisfaction. The use of a description of work section helps businesses improve their clarity, accountability, time management, communication, and record keeping, which can ultimately lead to greater success and customer satisfaction. Controlling labor costs makes all the difference to the bottom line. By including labor, hours, rate, and amount on a work order business form, businesses can reap several benefits. 1. Accurate pricing, which can help the business charge customers the appropriate amount for work performed, while also managing costs. 2. Efficient resource allocation, ensuring that the right number of staff are assigned to each job to complete work in a timely manner. 3. Quality control, tracking the performance of the team to identify areas for improvement and ensuring that customers are satisfied with the work performed. 4. Streamlined invoicing and billing, which can help to improve cash flow by accurately billing for work performed. 5. Profitability analysis, which can help identify profitable areas of the business, as well as areas for improvement to maximize profitability. Overall, including a labor section on a work order business form can help businesses manage costs, resources, performance, invoicing, and profitability, leading to greater success and profitability in the long run. Another good business practice: get a signature and date on it. In a service work order form, the terms and the satisfactory completion signature date area are both important for a business owner in the following ways. 1. This section of the service work order form outlines the terms of the agreement between the business and the customer. This includes information such as the scope of work, pricing, payment terms, and any warranties or guarantees. By clearly outlining these terms, the business owner can ensure that there is no confusion or misunderstandings with the customer regarding the work being done and the cost of that work. This can help avoid disputes and build trust with the customer. 2. Work ordered by can be important for a business owner because it provides a clear record of who authorized the work to be done. This can be important for tracking costs, managing resources, and addressing any issues that may arise. 3. Satisfactory completion signature date can be important for a business owner because it provides a clear record of when the work was completed and that the customer is satisfied with the work. This can help avoid disputes and ensure that the business is delivering high-quality work. Overall, this section of a service work order form are all important for a business owner because they help ensure that the work being done is clearly defined, authorized, completed to a high standard, and paid for appropriately. This can help build trust with customers, manage costs and resources, and ensure the long-term success of the business. The specifics of this section are method of payment, recommendations, terms, signature of person authorizing the work to be done, warranty information, and total amount of the service order invoice. Customer satisfaction builds a business. A professional appearance goes a long way to promote customer confidence and satisfaction. The use of a three-part service order form with the third part being a cardstock can provide increased durability, improved record-keeping practices, easy identification, a professional appearance, and convenience for both the business and the customer. 1. Durability. The cardstock makes the form much sturdier and resistant to wear and tear during the service process. This ensures that all the essential information remains intact and legible, making it easy to refer to in the future. 2. Improved record keeping. By using a three-part form, you can create an additional copy of the service order that stays with your business. This makes it easy to manage your resources, track customer interactions, and address any issues that arise. 3. Easy identification. The use of a cardstock can prevent fraud or billing mistakes as it makes it easy to identify authentic copies of the work order. 4. Professional appearance. The cardstock gives the form a professional look, indicating that you take your record-keeping seriously and are committed to providing high-quality service. 5. Convenience. With a three-part form, you and your customer can have a clear and complete record of the work performed, including all terms and agreements, without the need for additional paperwork or documentation. Overall, using a three-part service work order form with a cardstock can help you maintain accurate records, prevent disputes, and provide top-notch service to your clients. Paper hard copy service work order forms still have unique advantages. There are several advantages for a business owner to using a paper hard copy service order form versus doing everything electronically, including 1. Flexibility offers more flexibility in situations where electronic devices are not practical or available, such as remote job sites or areas with poor internet or cell phone coverage. 2. Simplicity of paper hard copy forms can be easier to use and understand than electronic forms, which can be more complex and require more technical knowledge. This can be helpful for businesses with employees who may not be comfortable using technology. 3. Ease of use, as they can be filled out quickly and easily, without the need for any special software or equipment. This can be helpful for businesses that need to fill out forms quickly or on the go. 4. Hard copy forms can be more secure than electronic forms because they are less vulnerable to cyber attacks, hacking, or other digital security threats. This can be particularly important for businesses that deal with sensitive information or require secure record-keeping practices. 5. Paper hard copy forms can provide an additional backup and redundancy system in case of technological failures or disasters. In the event of a power outage, system crash, or other technological issue, paper hard copy forms can still be used to document work. 6. Paper hard copy forms can provide a tangible record of the work performed, which can be helpful for businesses and customers in keeping track of completed work and other important information. While electronic forms have their benefits, Paper hard copy service order forms still have unique advantages that make them a viable option for certain businesses or job sites. Ultimately, the choice depends on the specific needs and preferences of the business. Put your company logo on it. Having a logo on business forms can offer several benefits for a business. 1. Branding can help to differentiate the business from competitors and make it more memorable to customers. 2. Helps to create a more professional appearance and show that the business is well established and takes its image seriously. 3. Credibility with customers and convey a sense of trustworthiness and reliability. 4. Business forms with a logo can serve as a form of marketing, as they may be seen by a wider audience beyond just the immediate recipient. This can help to increase brand awareness. 5. A logo on business forms can help to create consistency across all communications, which can help to build a stronger brand identity and make it easier for customers to recognize and remember the business. Overall, adding a logo to business forms can be a cost-effective way to improve a business's image and reputation, while also helping to differentiate it from its competitors and increase brand awareness. Make the 6534 Service Order Invoice form work harder to address your specific business needs. Additional features, benefits and options are available. 1. Signature line. Authorized signature line included. 2. Convenient. Snapset format. 3. Horizontal format. 4. Upgrades. Additional customization options include imprinting your custom logo. 5. Sturdy. Last part is a sturdy manila tag. 6. Consecutive numbering is available. These forms come with the option to have consecutive numbering printed on them. 7. Extra lines of print is available on some forms. This would satisfy state-required registration and license being printed on your form. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Go to the description area of this presentation for links to more information. We have an informational website with links to our order online site. New order and reorder discounts are available on most products. Thank you for your time and this opportunity to provide information about the 6534 Service Order Invoice form. On the next page is an image of the home page of our website. Notice there is a link dedicated specifically to your HVAC contractor business. Click on it to view a variety of products you use every day. We would appreciate your comments and hope you'll subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Whitco Business and Office Supplies, serving the HVAC contractor community since 1984. Visit and browse our website today.